Pancakes madness coming up, tiramisu flavored. If you love coffee, you will see stacks and stacks of coffee flavored pancake goodness. Also, on the healthy side, we will do lemon flavored oats pancakes. If you're up for some pancakes, let's do this. Hey foodies, welcome to Hoobie Tastes. We start with the oats. I would get quick oats or instant oats, and I wouldn't go for the old-fashioned or the rolled oats. The smaller oats would be easier to use in the blender and you will have a finer texture for your pancakes. And also the second ingredient I would like to add is ground almonds or almond flour. It will add character to your pancakes. It will make it fluffy and also adds to the taste. Plus, you will have less carbs in your pancakes. I've also added yogurt, and the yogurt I chose has lemon flavor. We will also need 1 egg. Make sure you crack the egg separately in case it's bad or runny or there's no good. We don't want to mess up our ingredients. Make sure it's good. I get free range organic egg, add it to it, and look at the orange color. That tells you the chicken has good diet. And also we add some vanilla extract. Add a little bit of salt. A pinch of salt will bring out the sweetness of your pancakes. Once we have all that in, we could add a little bit of water and put it slowly and gradually until you reach a consistency that is of a pancake, like you can see in the blender I have on the screen. Crank up your heat, get your pancake pan, and in this time for the video, I got a pancake shaper. Usually I just do it without any shaper, but with this you will get the pancake thicker than you would get usually, and I really like that, and you get a nice consistency in shape and size. Remember, there is a rule about pancakes. The first pancake never counts. It will always come out funny. We wait for the second one, that one will be much better. And as you can see, the pancakes are adding up. That means we will have a lovely stack of pancakes. Before starting the assemble of our pancakes, we will roast some bananas. Trust me, don't just put them on the pancake, roast them a little. Probably you would need 20 to 30 seconds max on each side. Just make sure it's red and nice and brownish in color. Don't overdo it because they'll go black and burn. For my layers between, I will choose smooth, rich, creamy peanut butter, and between every other layer I'll also add some bananas. And also we could add to the bananas on the very top some chopped pecans. I love the taste of pecans. You could add any kind of nuts that you like, healthy ones I mean. Until this moment we are on the healthy realm of pancake, even though it's lots of calories, but it's healthy sources of calories. For me, I'll add a little bit some really nice and sweet maple syrup, so I'll add a little bit of maple syrup. Now we move into pancake number 2, and we're doing the bad boy pancake. We start with the ingredients. You could use a bread flour. This time I tried to use the Italian 00 flour, and I was surprised with the result. I really recommend that you use this flour to do your pancake. Now we add our baking powder, and don't go crazy with the quantities. Make sure you follow the recipe very close to the numbers I have. And like I said earlier, we're going for coffee explosive flavor. We add our espresso powder to the mix. Now we mix the dry ingredients very well. Make sure everything is spread evenly and nicely, and you could see a very well uniform mixture. And now we move into our liquid ingredients. We start with our egg, we add our milk, we also add vanilla extract and about 15 to 20 grams of melted, cooled down room temperature butter. And now we have to get ready for eating an unhealthy pancake, so we have to whisk and whisk hard and burn them calories you need to be sweating. Oh, I'm saying just mix them hard. Now start by adding the liquid ingredients into the dry mixture. Don't add everything in one go, add them gradually. I just done it in 2 parts, 2 halves. Added the first one, mixed it, and then I completed the rest of it, and I kept mixing mixing until I reached pancake consistency. And now we are ready for frying the pancakes. With this one I used butter, but you don't have to use butter to do it. You could use any kind of oil or spread that you find tasty with pancakes. Again, make sure you watch out for them bubbles. You'll see the bubble of goodness, the bubbles of pancakes. These bubbles means we getting closer to eat them pancakes. Make sure the mixture is not runny. You could use a knife because this one is a bit sticky, and also it's thicker than the healthier one we've done earlier. Use your knife, and now we are ready to flip it on the other side. Again, with this one, probably 2 minutes I kept it on each side because of the mixture. Two things we have to do: the syrup, the mocha syrup on top, and also the cream that goes between the layers. Let's start with the syrup. Heat your water, add your soft brown sugar, and also add dark cocoa powder, and keep whisking it until you reach a syrup consistency. And for the cream, we're going for the mascarpone cheese, icing sugar, and vanilla, and we have to whisk it until it reaches a nice and fluffy cream consistency. Make sure you don't add it to your pancakes when the pancakes are hot. Wait for them to be cooler so the cream doesn't melt. We will have a big stack of pancakes. I added generous amount of cream between every pancake, and when we got to the top, I added some raisin covered chocolate. You could use coffee beans that are covered by chocolate, and I also added some cookies and cream Hershey's just to go crazy and have explosion of flavor and sugar. Now we add our syrup, and I tell you, the syrup is fantastic. The moment you taste it, the moment you mix the syrup and the cream and the pancake, you will have a new appreciation for coffee, and I love coffee. So here you go, everyone. Here is the tiramisu flavored, rich, creamy pancake, and also the healthier version of pancake. I hope you guys like them. Let me know which one would you go for and which one you liked. I'm keen to read your comments in the comment section. Love you all. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing out.